Hello, welcome. I believe you can provide answer to this question by factorization completely 27x squared minus 48y squared under the WASSCE 2024 Nigerian edition. So if you are to factorize this, you are only looking for common factor. So let's go ahead and find the common factor between the two terms. So the common factor between 27 and 48 is going to be 3. So 3 dividing this will give you 9x squared minus 3 dividing this is 16y squared. So in the bracket we have no other common factors, but we can see that the coefficient of each variable are perfect square. So we can rewrite that as 3 into bracket 3x all square, this provide this value, then minus 4y all square also provide this, because 4 square 16, y square that will be y square. So this gives us a recall. If I have a square minus b square, that is giving us a plus b, a minus b as a difference of two square factorization. So I can see my a here, I can see my b here, meaning this 3 will stay out, then 3x as my a plus 4y as my b, multiplying 3a, the 3x as the a minus 4y as the y or the b. So this becomes the completely factorized version of this expression. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and comment. Bye-bye.